Acer Aspire 5 Slim Laptop. A515-54G-73WC. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. I am conflicted about this laptop, due mostly to the higher price point. The initial setup was simple, though, because it is Windows 10, I am reminded why I hate Cortana. And everything is plug and play. Connect speakers, headphones, a mouse, or whatever sort of peripheral you need with no real problems. As far as out-of-the-box ease and reliability, it is perfectly fine. People want laptops for 3 functions: work software, watching media, or gaming. Most laptops are built to do one of these functions well, at the expense of the other functions. If you are looking for a solid, reliable work laptop to handle documents, spreadsheets, and most business-related software, this will work effectively. Unfortunately, there are plenty of lower-priced laptops that will work just as effectively. In fact, if you are looking for a productivity laptop, you are probably looking for something with a touchscreen, which this unit does not have. This laptop can handle multiple spreadsheets open simultaneously while surfing the internet and handling email and messaging. But pretty much any decent laptop can do that these days for half what this one costs. If you are looking for something to watch videos and other media, the HD display is truly gorgeous. It really does have exceptional crispness. But then you need to ask yourself if watching those cat videos on YouTube or the latest Netflix series is actually worth over $800 to you, or will you get comparable results with a notebook or less expensive laptop? I personally am not the type of person who thinks spending that kind of money just to watch media on a laptop is a worthwhile investment. But if that is your thing, then this might be what you want. At first, following the reviews I had read about this laptop with i7 8th Gen processor, didn't think it was going to be a good purchase, but while this laptop is very fast, I don't have the need so far to update the RAM with 12 GB already on the laptop already. The screen is very bright and you can also adjust it if needed to like any other laptop. Started watching Disney Plus on it and movies and shows look very nice. There is no lag at all when using the web and I didn't see the lag people have claimed on Wi-Fi when not connected to the power charger. So far as a gamer, I haven't used it for gaming, so I can't comment on it. Battery life so far has been good. At one point only web searching and work-related activities laptop said up to 12 hours remaining. So far so good, very powerful. The construction looks sturdy, feels great and not heavy. Heat well, I've been watching videos and work-related things and so far as per software I've installed to monitor the temp has kept on low 40s. Overall a great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for watching it. Have a nice day.